we can go on to the next step, which is filing. Just because we cut the mold lines off doesn't mean that there's still not marks you don't want showing up on your finished miniature. See the line here, I'm filing flat. So you get the mini wet with soapy water, and then you just gently brush all the metal dust off of everything. There's different, obviously, colors of primer you can use. It's not, metallic anymore. I use the matte white. So like these big surfaces, like here, like this cloak, which is leather, and like the armor pieces or like the fur right here on the miniature, I'm gonna want to do first.